In this video, we're going to talk about how to assemble this kinetic sculpture. It is a chaos machine that is interactive and it works by pressing these two levers. So let's get started. Start by printing all the parts out. If you haven't yet, you can download them from my website. First thing we're going to do is take the long piece and connect it to the rack. Make sure it's on the opposite side from the teeth and C-clamp into place. Then repeat that on the other side. C-clamp that into place as well. Now grab the small gear and with the two notches facing to the sides, place it on this hole just like this. The teeth corresponding to the notches will line up with the dots on the racks, just like this. Make sure it's lined up and then take the top piece that looks like this and that will slide into the holes on the back plate. Now you can grab this piece and make sure it lines up into that hole like this. And then you can flip the whole thing around and throw C-clamps into the back of that. Give it some up and down movements like this to make sure everything is moving, and then we can go to the next step. Grab the left paddle and that attaches to a big piece like this. Then the right paddle, same thing. And then you can pop both of those towers into the base just like that. It pushes all the way down. Line up the holes in the paddles with the holes in the base and then throw the pin in, secure the whole thing with the C-clamp. Give it some back and forth motion just like this to make sure everything is moving. Next, grab the levers and you can just pop them together. Make sure the one without the hole in the bottom is at the very front, and then that will slide into the lever on the assembly. And then the last step is to WD-40 the entire thing. Get all the holes, anything that slides together, the gears, and then just move it back and forth until you get things moving really nicely. And there you go, you have a chaos machine, and when you film it in slow motion, it creates really interesting, very cool motions. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next project.